Imagine waking up to a new view every morning, the open road calling your name. That's the magic of Source Leisure Mercedes camper vans. Picture this, you're cruising down a winding road, the engine purrs barely a whisper, your hands grip the wheel, feeling the Mercedes precision. It's not just driving, it's an experience. But let's be real, most camper vans are basic, cramped spaces, clunky handling and bare bones comfort. Not exactly the dream road trip, right? Well, that's where Source Leisure and Mercedes changed the game. Step inside and you're surrounded by luxury. Sleek design meets cozy comfort. It's like your favorite hotel room, but on wheels. Cook a gourmet meal in your fully equipped kitchen. Fall asleep on a plush bed, gazing at the stars. It's not just a van, it's your ticket to freedom. Go where you want, when you want, and the best part, it's all backed by Mercedes. Full warranty on the vehicle plus 3 years on the build. Peace of mind so you can focus on the adventure. Ready to break free from the ordinary? Visit Source Leisure and see for yourself.